Tesla spotted testing Cybertruck suspension on a test track. So far, it looked nice and floaty. Mo is there. There he is. Did you want to... Because you timed that up.
He helped me with the set today.
So did you wanted to? You wanted to, Mo?
Look at this. Kind of cool.
I think so. Mo just wanted to say. What did you want to say?
What was that? What was that? Hey guys, how do you like the new set?
This doesn't qualify as a new set.
I think it does.
There was a table here. There's a chair here. The exact same location.
It's a new set.
No,
Come on,
this is a new set, Lou.
Don't get crazy with the word set around here.
We
right?
worked hard on the new
This
set.
is not film school. You understand? There you go. There you go. He scratched the
He's
beard.
like, okay.
Scratched the beard. All right, enough already. See you later. Doesn't like spring, by the way. When they showed off the last clip of this Tesla driving around,
Yeah, super nimble.
it just seemed floaty and capable, and it seemed to kind of, I don't know, I liked it. It got me excited about it because it just looked to be more responsive than you might think for a vehicle of that stature.
Yeah.
And now you have some new, what looks like drone footage showcasing some suspension testing over there in Fremont on the track. What's it going over there? Some bumps.
Yeah, it's a test track.
Yeah.
Just for consistency.
Cool. This is your usual Tesla drone footage. Just chilling over top of Fremont there. This guy spins back around. Look at him flying, actually. Goes back. Says, let's do this. There's all types of different textures and speed bumps and different things to test the suspension out. He's going to back up and take another crack at it, maybe on the other side.
The drone.
They say the max MPH is 8. It's 8 for those speed bumps over there. Yeah, Will, imagine you're this test driver and that drone's just...
Like, oh.
Just boom. Boom. You think he's going 8 miles an hour? Nice suspension. Cool. It's lovely. Yeah.
So you like it?
It's great.
You like it now?
It's great. I like it now.
Yeah, I want to test drive this.
I like it now, Will. Listen, what can I say? I go back and forth, but I was pissed about the wheels. They figured that out. They went closer to the thing. I was pissed about the mirrors. They look better. Like everything I was pissed about is starting to take shape now, closer to the concept. So it was premature. It is smaller than what they showed off because you got to fit it places. But what looks smaller on a drone footage or whatever other footage, in real life, it's going to have scale to it. In real life, it's going to be imposing. And it's just so different that you can't help but be interested.
Yeah, this is such an odd-shaped vehicle.
It is going to get all smudged up. You know that. You got to be cool with that. It's going to get all like that. There's going to be imperfections and things. Having just the exposed steel. Yeah. But that's all right, man. Maybe that's just what it is. The black roof, the glass roof looks better. This one has the cover on the back there, which you get a good look at from the top. Probably motorized.
Yeah, it's looking pretty healthy. It looks super long compared to the Y.
Well, it's a truck. It's a truck, right?
Yeah.
The dimensions are gonna end up very similar to F-150 or something like that.
This drone is just invasive, man.
They're used to it at this point. It's a long vehicle compared to Y.
Just flies right over it.
I mean, it's not really that long if you've ever had a truck. Thanks all. Thanks for watching. Yeah.
Look at this channel.
Cool.
Met God in Wilderness. Wow. Okay.
It keeps looking better, man. The radius and stuff, the turning radius, it keeps looking better every time we see it.
Congrats.